Hello, my name is Kelly Braun and I'm reporting live from my Environmental Health and Bioterrorism class. Today I'll be talking about the buzz on bee health. Bees are an essential part of polluting many plants, including farmers' crops. They are critical to our food supply as we need to eat. Scientists have begun to notice the decline of honeybee populations over the recent decade. Scientists know that the climate change, viruses, and the loss of habitat have contributed to the decline of these bee populations. However, recent studies have shown another contributing factor to the decline of honeybee populations. This insecticide, called neonics, is a widely used insecticide around the world. This insecticide is simple for farmers to use, and they are water soluble, which absorbs in the plant, and the plant grows, and then the tissues are protected later on. So it's good for the farmer because they are able to get more crops and they're able to keep the pests away. But however, this is harmful to the bees. The downfall of this chemical is that it infects the pollen in the nectar that the bees collect, which means the bees are exposed to this harmful chemical. Neonicotinoids are derived from nicotine and are poisonous to these bees. The problem with this is the insecticide is that bees tend to prefer the plants that are sprayed with this chemical, and scientists believe this is due to the buzz that the bees feel when they collect the pollen. However, this eventually will kill them, and this is what is showing the decline in the population, is because the bees are preferring plants and flowers that have been sprayed with this insecticide, which later on will kill them, not allowing them to reproduce, hence decline in population. Problem for us because they're not pollinating the crops or the flowers. So there's ongoing debate about this insecticide because research is still in the works, and there's many conflicting arguments about if this insecticide is good or if this insecticide is bad, because there's so much conflict. But however, there is evidence showing that there is a decline in bee population that isn't explained by loss of habitat, viruses, or climate change, and scientists are saying that this insecticide is what is causing it, and there is substantial evidence, and there's a growing movement for the restricted use of this insecticide due to the declining bee population. It hasn't been in effect in the U.S. yet. However, in Canada, the Ontario government has proposed a regulation aimed to reducing the number of plants that are sprayed with this insecticide to hopefully reverse the decline in the honeybee population. And that is all I have for you today. I hope you have a good evening, and I'll report to you live later.